name is Evelyn. I'm a final med student here in RCSI. Today we're going to show you around campus and all the different places we'd like to hang out. So if you want to follow me.
My name's Ben. I've just finished third year pharmacy and this is the amphitheatre. We come here to meet our friends, hang out between lectures, grab food and watch movies during club nights.
Hi, my name is Ishan. I'm a fourth year medical student here at RCSI. During my study breaks, I usually come down here to the blue couches, which we lovingly call blouches, to talk and meet up with my friends.
Hi, my name is Julie. I'm just finished second year med and this is the dispensary. Come here for coffee and study breaks that last longer than they should and to play pool or foosball with friends.
Hi, my name is Whitaker and I've just finished second year medicine at RCSI. I'm a mature student and I spend a lot of time in the library studying. I'm sitting in the amphitheatre right now, which is a great collaborative space where you can practice presentations, group tutorials and that kind of thing, and it's brilliant because it's completely soundproof so you can chat and not worry about people listening. Next to here there's actually also small group tutorial rooms with whiteboards and TVs you can plug your laptop into, which is fantastic. So it's great to kind of learn with friends and things like anatomy and pathology and long case tutorial practices and everything like that.
Thanks so much for following us along today. Really hope you enjoyed seeing campus and meeting all my friends and seeing where I like to hang out, and we really hope to see you in September this coming semester.